People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P, aka Captain Controversial. I'm actually on a run right now. This is the most heated things I've been over here for a very long time. And just like Burger King, or is it McDonald's, I'm loving it. People, today I want to talk about the whole concept of Jamaicans being rebels. See, there is the story that I heard when I was growing up from elders. I don't know how accurate it is because I don't really know how I would confirm something like that, but it is said that during the barbaric days of slavery, and in particular the slavery of Africans and their transportation across the world, it was said that the most rebellious slaves were taken to Jamaica. That is the saying. I'm sure some of you have heard that before. The most rebellious, tough to deal with, always put up a fight slaves were brought to Jamaica. When they landed in Jamaica, they were dealt with even harsher to try to get them to fall in line. Now, seeing that we are now the descendants of those people, it would make sense that Jamaica is still a rebellious culture. Except, unlike those people, the ones who did rebel, because it's not like say all of them rebel, let's not rewrite history, but the ones who did rebel, I'm starting to wonder if because them rebel and they were taking out, their genes didn't make it down the gene pool. Hence the reason why we have these fake rebels running around Jamaica. What do you mean fake rebels? I'll tell you about these fake rebels. A fake rebel is a rebel without a cause, right? Somebody who just rebels for the sake of it and uses the word because it's cool. But the fastest way to expose them is when they are tasked with going up against somebody who might hurt them. Whether it's physically hurt them or hurt their career, hurt their popularity, etc. That is when they get exposed. You see, now that the Big C is going around and we're bringing out all these measures, curfew and all these things, the fake rebels are starting to come to the front. See, the fake rebels take out them phone and say, look at me, I'm so unruly, I'm so rebellious, I'm rebelling against a curfew that is supposed to help keep people safe. I wonder if you're listening to me. These are the people I'm talking about, the fake rebel, who look at me, I'm so unruly. Them say, must do this, but me not do it. Jamaica is infested with fake rebels. Jamaicans rebel against everything that don't even make sense. Jamaicans rebel to the point where you have to scratch your head. Like why? Why would he even rebel against that? Joining a line, right? Parking your car in the right place. No, oh look, it's a two-lane road. If you just park your car right there, so you know we come on one lane road and the whole place block up. Yeah, me no business. Me I do me feel like me a rebel. That is Jamaica infested with fake rebels. But when it's time to be real rebels and stand up and potentially put your reputation, put your income, put even your life at risk, Jamaicans are always found wanting. Let me explain. Let's look at music. See, it's easy to jump up and do a song and say, yo, politicians are wicked, rah rah rah, and get a forward. You know why that's an easy thing to do, and not actually anything really rebellious if you think about it. You know for a fact, so you can call out Peter Phillips or call out Andrew Holness, and he will not turn up to your doorstep with a machine, come slap you in your head. You know for a fact you can call out certain people in society, whether it's in the business world or the political world, and you know they will not turn up to your house, come spray your yard and wet up you and your family. You know that. See, if Jamaicans were real rebels, let's stick to music. If Jamaican artists were real rebels as them claim, name one time in the history of Jamaican music, dancehall or reggae, you've heard an artist call out a serious criminal organization by name. Go in the comment section. People may wait, more answer this. Name one time. When I talk about no generic, the man they must stop kill the youths and put on the gun, no. When you're being a rebel to a cause, you're specific. When you're being a rebel to a cause and you fight against curfew, you fight against joining line, and you fight against this and that, you're militant. You're very specific. Me not do this and you can't make me do this. Don't be generic, no. Tell me the time when any artist has ever said, yo, them boy the name Klansman are wicked, them fi dead off. Cause all them a do a go out and shoot at the place and kill much innocent people. Go on, tell me the song. Tell me the song, no? Think of your most rebellious artist. Then tell me the song with him have against Stone Crusher. Tell me the song with them call out Bigger Crime by name. Tell me the song with them call out Eldon Calvert by name. Oh, that's weird. They have called them up by name, but it was to big them up. See, the people them who love call rebels, who claim say fight, stand up for the people them. Why them stand up for the people them who get gunshot in their face, in their house? Why them stand up for the people them who get burned out of them house? When gunman lock the grill, shoot at the house and then light the house on fire. Why them stand up for them people there? Oh, that's right. Yeah, Serpy, them call the man them by name, yes, for big them up. When you've heard the name Tesha Miller in our song, when you've heard the name Zeeks in our song, when you've heard the name Dodos in our song, it is always followed by praise. It is always a big up. It is never, hey boy Dodos, you, or if you kick. It is never, hey, one other, how dare you feel so you can't come and. They never have that energy. Rebels don't have cars. You know why they don't have that energy? But why they can go? Why them can take their phone and say, big old police, Andrew wanna say suck cock. You know why them can do that? And not the other? Because them know, if them say that, if them take their phone and say, hey you boy, black man from Klansman, go suck cock. Them know by tomorrow morning what go on. Them know, so if them take them phone, back in the day when Zeke still run town, because everybody I make joke about Zeke's now, but when Zeke's was actually feared, right? Everybody said, oh, Zeke's a sprat. Well, before people that say that, if them take them phone and public, you go say, hey you boy Zeke, say suck cock. Which would actually be a true statement. By the next day, we know where they're going. So Jamaican people rebel against things when them know they can't come back and do them nothing. Big old police. Come on, it's very unlikely police are going to come slap out him the next day, if him say that. Where were the people all the years throughout the last 20-30 years when all these organizations in Jamaica are run rampant and a bit destructive, right? Where were the rebels then? Why didn't I get called out by name? See, I remember, clear as day, when Bounty Killer got on a mobile, it was to big up Stone Crusher. I said that, let me say it again. I remember clear as day, Bounty Killer, the poor people's governor, go down a mobile, go take the mic and say big up Stone Crusher. Even mobile fans were stunned. I never forget that show. I think it was 2007. Even mobile people were stunned. Even man who come from the place in Stone Crusher, they were stunned. They couldn't believe it. Because by that point, Stone Crusher had evolved into a monster. Where even the people them down, they want to get rid of it. A killer go down, they go say big up Stone Crusher. Rebel? Which rebel? Oh, poor people defend that, so why not defend them in time gunman and kill them? You fraud. Why not defend them when time Klansman and one other and Rockfort man them and all these man them are run up in the house? Why not call them out by name since you're a rebel? Because you're a rebel, right? Why Jamaicans don't rebel against them? Why Jamaicans take them phone and go call them man by name? Why when time other people call them man by name, those are the bad guys? I don't understand. Can somebody explain it to me? Because I keep hearing about this rebel thing. And people normally associate with music. Which rebel? What kind of rebel against what? Basic things? Yo, me do me feel like, yo, me lift my career, so me no business about that. Yo, me block up over here, so yo, me not join the line. Me not take the bus, me no business about, me push to the front of the queue. That's what you call rebel? That's not a rebel. Actual rebels risk something. What have you risked? taking a mic and say, yo, burn out PNP and JLP. Yeah, get a forward. Let's be realistic. Come on, people, that's an easy forward. Burn out politics. Burn out corrupt politician. That's a forward. What you talk about? That's an easy forward. Easy forward. Make you see how bad that is now, no? Say burn out Klansman. Say burn out one another. Call out Tesha by name. And say, if you go suck cock. Go on now, me a wait. Call out any of the man name, right, who quote unquote a run off or a lock off now in Jamaica by name. Call out them gang by name and say them if you go suck cock. Me a wait. I mean, you're rebels, right? Isn't this what? Call out the man name who Waterford by name. Call out the artist soldier them. Oh, but I thought you were a rebel. I mean, you have strength for the police though. You have strength for JDF though. Boy, oh boy. I'm telling you people, 2020 I'm charged. I'm charged, people. If you can't manage the kitchen, if you can't manage the heat, people, you have to leave the kitchen from now. 2020 is a serious year. Playtime is over. We are moved on to the serious part of the movement now. Right? We are moved on to the can crushing stage now. I don't want to hear no artists. I don't want to hear no public, whatever you want, what kind of title you want to have. Come on TV every day talk about, oh, this is, yo, rebel against. Same energy we want to have for JDF and JCF, which is deserved, by the way. Don't get it twisted. Don't misunderstand me now. Police and soldier and politician who do wrong things must get called out. Absolutely. But call out the criminals them too. Use the same energy. Bring the same energy. Show we say you're a real rebel. But I doubt it. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.